NBCC. Well, that's a stock on our radar. The company has bagged a work order of around 66 crore rupees from the Indian Medical Association, which will be executed over a period of the next 30 months or so. In other news, NBCC as well as the Delhi Metro will work together on infra development projects. Well, Mr. Pawan Kumar Gupta, the chairman and MD of NBCC, joins us on the show. Hi, Mr. Gupta. Good morning. Thanks so much for joining in. Well, I think this is your final month in charge out here. But tell us, good couple of order wins. So what is the, margin trajectory of this, and how do you see execution, the last couple of big orders that you won?
No, margins are okay. We'll be getting 8% PMC fees on this order. So all the orders that we are getting, they are with decent margins. And we have immediately taken up the execution and planning of this project. A kickoff meeting with client has already been held, and we are in the process of finding consultants and preparation of design drawings and tender documents for execution of this one. We got a number of orders recently, totaling around 3,500 crore till now in this current year. And many big orders are in pipeline, and we hope that within the month of September we are able to get them. One of them is the construction of balance FAR of Amrapali project that will fetch an order of around 8,000 crore for NBCC.
Oh, that's a big order. So you're saying that there's a big order pipeline and you're expecting to bag an order of close to 8,000 crores. Is that correct, in the month of September?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, that's a lot.
So that's, I think your overall projections for the year is 9,000 crores in terms of revenues, and you're saying 8,000 crores will come from Amrapali project. Is it, over how many years?
This will be an order, this will take around 2.5 years for execution.
Okay. So this is the Amrapali project from which 8,000 crores will come over 2 to 2.5 years, correct?
2.5 years, yes.
Okay. And what are the other projects in the pipeline, and what's the quantum?
There are many projects in pipeline. We are in touch with the Kerala government for redevelopment of their property. We are in touch, in fact, Delhi Transport Corporation, we have already got the order that is in the stage of tendering, and work will be awarded soon. Recently, we signed an MOU with Delhi Metro for doing the construction works together, where we'll do the building works and they will do the railway line work on the project for as well as in India. So many more orders are in pipeline.
And what's the quantum of the Delhi Metro project?
Delhi Metro project doesn't have a fixed quantum. Only thing is that whenever we bid in future for projects, we'll be doing the building work, they'll be doing the railway work. That is the strategy. Will be working in their core area of competence.
Okay. All right. Mr. Gupta, the street will be listening in to you very, very carefully, because now the company's market capitalization is more than 9,000 crores odd. And at best, maybe, the profit number for this year could be in the vicinity of close to around 500 crores. So a couple of questions there. Your real estate monetization, I think you had a very large, ambitious target. How much have you achieved in this year? And for the remainder of this year, what kind of real estate monetization you're looking at? Give us the quantum.
We have a very big, our flagship project, World Trade Center, Nauroji Nagar, where the sale value is around 12,500. So we have been able to sell 7,200 worth crore of property till now. And in this year, around 1,200 crore. And another 3-4 months, we are hopeful of winding up this property, and complete sale will be done. We are in touch with many clients for the purchase of this property. And second one is the Amrapali project, where we had to sell around 5,600 number of houses. And we have already sold 3,700 houses, and daily around 40-50 houses we are selling. Another 3-4 months we'll be able to wind up that project also, as far as marketing is concerned.
Got it. So this Nauroji Nagar as well as Amrapali, could you tell us what is the quantum, just one number, the real estate monetization between these two?
In World Trade Center, the further monetization will be around 5,500 crore. And in Amrapali, it's already 2,000 worth crore of property has been sold, and another 1,000 crore worth of property will be sold in next 3-4 months.
Okay, so that is about the domestic market. Tell us a little bit about exports as well. You're making an entry into the Maldivian, the African markets as well. What is the quantum of orders that you're looking at? How big is the opportunity for you?
The Maldives, we are already executing a work of social housing of 2,000 number of houses. The total revenue from this project will be around 1,000 crore. 300 crore worth of work has been executed, and another 700 crore worth of work will be executed in the current financial year and next financial year. This project is being done on fast track, and very shortly, Honorable President of Maldives will launch the project so this has to be sold by Government of Maldives in open market. So Honorable President will launch the project very shortly. Maybe
and for the African market?
We have been awarded a work of construction of chancery and other buildings by Ministry of External Affairs in Seychelles. That project will take off very shortly. That is already awarded. And we are in Burundi, we have got a work of construction of parliament and ministerial buildings. There will be getting around US $2.34 million as PMC fees. And many more projects in Mauritius, they are already under construction. And our hospital subsidiary has recently got a work of hospital in Mauritius that will be taking off shortly. So Mauritius, Maldives, Seychelles, Burundi, these are the countries where we are already working.
Okay. All right, Mr. Gupta, final question then before we let you go. Steady state, what kind of margins will you look at? Once you get, say, to a ballpark 12,000 crores of revenues, I'm not including the other income. The operating EBITDA margins, what will it be?
EBITDA will be in the order of 4%.
4%. Wow. When you hit a revenue of close to 12,000 crores for this year? Standalone plus your subsidies together?
We have a target of 10,650 crore as per our MOU signed with our ministry, which is a standard practice for all PSUs. So we'll cross that target definitely, maybe around 11,000 and something between 11 and 12,000.
Okay, all right. Well, thanks so much, Mr. Gupta, for stopping by and giving us all those details. You're sounding fairly optimistic. The street as well as optimistic explains why the stock has had a big run in the last couple of months. Wishing you all the best as we speak as well. The stock moves to the high point of the day.